What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about pricing psychology. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can take straight out into the field that's going to help you close more deals. What's up, guys? Kelly McKay here, aka HVAC Millionaire, right here on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below. Today we're going to talk about the three things that you can take straight out into the field and start using, and it revolves around pricing psychology. It's around consumer behavior. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the right digit effect. Customers tend to buy more when both right digits are smaller than 5. So if I have a regular price, let's say if I'm putting on a sale and I have a regular price of $1.99 and I decide to do a sale price of $1.88, I might get a few sales, but I'm probably not going to get as many than if I would have changed that. So if I change that, and if I say my regular price is $2.44 and the sale price is $2.33, I'm probably going to get more sales because both right digits are under 5 and there's a higher perceived savings. So try it out and see if it works for you. The next one we're going to talk about is syllables effect and the comma effect. So the syllables effect just says that consumers perceive prices with fewer syllables as lower. So if I have a service call and my total ticket for my service is $1,523, when I present that to the customer, I'm not going to say, well, that one is only $1,523. That has a lot of syllables in it. But if I say that one's only $1,523, less syllables, there's a perception there that it costs less. So use as few syllables as possible. That also means leaving off the cents, like just round it off to 0 and don't add cents on there too, because that makes it even longer. So the next one is the comma effect, because the syllable effect is verbal form and the comma effect is written form. So the effect is present with both forms. So the fewer the syllables, the less it feels like it costs to the customer. Also with the comma, let's just remove the comma, and then that makes it even easier to say that's $1,523 instead of $1,523. So I hope you'll use both of those. Now I'm going to get into the last one. The last one is the size congruency effect, or the font size effect. Consumers show a higher purchase likelihood if the smaller sales price is displayed in a smaller rather than larger font. So if I've got a regular price of $79, and then maybe I have a cash discount price or a sale price, if I write sale over here of $59, if I write that in a smaller font, then consumers show a higher purchase likelihood. So this is something that you can use if you have written estimates. Use this if you've got a regular price versus a cash discount price, or if you've got a sale happening. Write your regular price bigger than your sale price, and the perception there is that there's more savings. So guys, take this out into the field and use it. It's going to work for you. It's going to help you close more deals. Until next time, go make money. Boom.